Today's my birthday. I'm gonna use Schnickny powder to make myself sneeze. Ready? And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, go. And I'm gonna use it real hard, like Spin 721 and Sticky Feet 7. And Aubrey, whatever her name was, who married to Thomas. And Sneeze and Chad. Yet later on, I'm gonna watch Young Sheldon and The Big Bang Theory tonight. It comes on every Monday and Thursday. The Big Bang Theory. When Sean says, Penny, Penny, Penny. Excuse me. Oh, someone. After 8 or 7, it was 7, 8, 9. I need some more chickpea powder.
Like that. Woo! Then you belong at the #1 brand in property restoration. Join ServPro and experience career advancement from entry level to management and even leadership. Here you go, boss. And access to the best training available. Oh, I'm sorry. Got what it takes? Visit servpro.com/careers and apply today.
That was 10. 10 sneezes in a row. 11. 11 sneezes. 12. 13. I'm gonna be 22 this year because of my birthday. At 9:15 p.m. I'm gonna be 22. 14. I was 14 sneezes. 15.
Is there anyone else you want to explore together?
Where do you want to go?
Senegal 38%, Portugal 29%.
16. It was sweet 16 for a driver's license at the DMV or MVA.
We now live in a place our ancestors have been for many, many years, and we had no clue.
Nigerian. I got a lot of this from you.
With Ancestry DNA.
Am I done?
Our word is not given. It must be. This is your chance.
18. 19. 'I need some Coca-Cola. I will tickle my tongue.
You know, and one day you're eating turkey, the next thing you know, your lords are leaping and your geese are laying.
What? Watch me blow my nose first.
Relax this time of year.
First nose blow of our 22nd birthday. 20. Only one last one.
Just a big sprain. Alright, you're still mad at me because the whole
Horrible degrading list of reasons not to be with me?
how about for now?
Now I'm crying because my tears in my eyes.
Hey, Gunther.
I gotta take off my glasses first.
Yeah, go nuts. Hey guys.
What's in the bag? Presents. Come on, show us what you bought. You know you want to.
That tastes like Coca-Cola. Yesterday I went to Miss
This is a picture frame.
Chick-fil-A with Miss Kia, Miss Rose, my mom, and Johannes. Mr. Tono was in Spain, coming back from Spain, and he landed in BWI or Reagan at the airport. He took off Madrid from Spain.